What is in this magical shiny box, you might ask? Well, I think the video title might say what it is. Stupids! Time to get straight into opening it. Let's see if we can get this thing. Oh god. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. Why do you package stuff like this, people? How are we gonna get this? I'm gonna see if it's any easier on myself before I open it. Okay, we opened it. Oh, so I didn't do it on video because it took too much time. It took way too much time for what it was worth. So in here, I think it's probably gonna be the cord. Oh, ASMR. Oh, 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 whoa. Like your cord. Let's see if I can open this. You have the charger in here. I believe that's headphones. Let's see what's in here. It's quite hard to get. So we got a little stand in here. Comes with a little stand. Unbox that. Oh, it stinks. Oh, okay. Got the charger mixed in with the iPod itself. There's nothing else in the box. Let's throw that over here carefully so I don't expose my funny Addy. There. Okay. Let's get straight. Do not cut. I won't cut it, guys. I won't cut it. Don't worry, I won't cut it. Sorry, Marcus is a goody, so we're not gonna cut it. Like what it says. Can't open it with my fingers. Ow! Okay, we got into it. I'm gonna wash the finger there, though. My thumb's gone. Getting into it. Ooh. Do not cut. Do not cut. Oh my god. Things like, got the charger brick. Funny firewire. Look at that. Oh god. It's like it's brand new out of China. Oh, got it. There we go. There's the funny brick. Ooh, that sound. Ooh, it sounds good. Not gonna explode. Okay, we got some funny auxiliary thing. Guys, oh. Okay, we got it open. There's the funny cord. And here's the funny box. And now here's the funny pod. How are you gonna get this? Why make it so difficult? Actually, it's packaged really nicely. The person who sold me this is watching. A great job packaging it. So getting it open. Okay, we got the funny cord. See if we can get it open. Packaging is sometimes too smart for Marcus. Put that down. Narration. There you go. It is open. There's your cord. There's your other funny cord. Put this all down here. Let's get this thing out. The stand. That's pretty cool. Let's get it out. Get it out! Alright. Got it out. That. Get off. Hey, get off. Hey. What's this? Like funny plastic. It's like funny plastic. Oh, some ASMR for you guys. ASMR. Ooh. Like, it looks brand new. It's pretty cool. Set it right there. Go in the pile. Now for the main event, the iPod itself. Ooh. Do not cut, says the emo child. Ooh, that's pretty good condition. The thiccum. Ooh. Look at this thiccum, boys. Look at that. Look at thiccum. Woo. Pretty thick. Okay, let's open this bad boy. Oh, look at that. 20 gigabytes. 2002. That'd be a lot of storage. Ooh. Here it is. Check it out of the packaging. Here it is. Here's the main event. Big Chungus. Got fire. It's gotta unlock it. I think it might be dead. I'm gonna plug it in real quick and charge it up a bit. And notice it's not charged by 30 pin. This charges by Firewire, and that's why it's a Firewire cord included in the box. That pretty good condition. Go back. I'm gonna plug it in and report when I get it working. Plugged in for a couple seconds. Works completely fine. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Settings. Look at that. Show if you can do all that funny stuff about. There's information, haven't restored it yet. So it looks like it has some music on it already. I'll have to listen to some of that. Totally not copyrighted at all. So I'll be taking a listen to those before I reset it. Otherwise, works fine. Click wheel, it works good. We'll see if it plays music. Right there, it's playing a song. Oh, it just died. Oh well. That's that. There it is. It works fine. Just need to charge it some more. Okay. Thank you for watching.